Hello students, let's solve one question together. The question is, a marathon was due to start at midday, but Mr. Tortoise was allowed to start at 7 a.m. as he can only walk, which he does at a constant speed of 3 miles per hour. At midday, Mr. Hare set off running at a constant speed of 10.5 miles per hour. What we need to find is, at what time does he overtake Mr. Tortoise? He symbolizes Mr. Hare. Okay. So from question we will write down the information which has been given to us. First information is about Mr. Tortoise, who has started his journey from 7 a.m. and the speed Mr. Tortoise is walking, that is 3 miles per hour. Second information which is given to us about is Mr. Hare, who is walking at a speed of 10.5 miles per hour. You can also write it down as 10.5 miles per hour. Let's start representing the race. Let's say Mr. Tortoise has started the race at 7 a.m. So this can be a 7 a.m. in the morning with a speed of 3 miles per hour. Okay. Now from 7 we have 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is the timing of the day consecutively. Now from the representation itself we can figure out how much time Mr. Tortoise has taken to walk from 7 a.m. to 12. We can easily find that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like 7 to 8 1 hour, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11 and 11 to 12. Almost 5 hours of walking is being performed by Mr. Tortoise. From here we can easily find the distance covered by Mr. Tortoise from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. while walking. 12 p.m. we are representing it as midday, which is mentioned to us in our question. Now the distance, we know the formula of the distance, that is speed multiplied by time. So we will write the speed of Mr. Tortoise which is given to us in our question, that is 3. We will write the time which is being covered, that is 5. We will get 3 5s are 15. We will get 13 miles as a distance which is being covered by Mr. Tortoise starting from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Second thing which we have been given is that we will be denoting about relative speed, because from 12 a.m. Mr. Hare has started his race. Now we need to find relative speed, because we find relative speed when we have to calculate the difference in the speed when two objects are moving in the same direction. So if you need to find the difference you have to find the relative speed. So if we have to find the relative speed, we will simply subtract the relative speed, subtract the speed of Mr. Hare and Mr. Tortoise. Okay. So when we will be dealing with Mr. Hare, we will subtract the speed of Mr. Hare from the speed of Mr. Tortoise. The speed of Mr. Hare is given to us in the question, that is 10.5, and the speed of Mr. Tortoise is also given, that is 3. So overall we have 7.5 miles per hour, which is the relative speed. This is our second step. After this we will find the time which is required to catch up. So time required to catch up will be like to overtake. Mr. Hare needs to cover a distance which is travelled by Tortoise, that is 15 miles with the relative speed of 7. So Mr. Tortoise has covered 15 miles of distance, and now the relative speed we had 7.5 miles per hour. This is the time which Mr. Hare has to cover. Okay. So now we have the formula for calculating time as well, that would be distance upon speed. So what is the distance which has been covered? That is 15 miles till now. Tortoise, Mr. Hare has to cover this distance, and the relative speed would be 7.5. So when we will be solving 15 and 7.5, you can simply solve it out with the basic calculation of math. Okay. So you can simply write it down. You will be finding 15 5s would be 75 and 5 2s would be 10. You will be getting 2 hours. Okay. Now it's very easy. 2 hours is the time which is required for Mr. Hare to overtake Mr. Tortoise. Okay. To catch up with the Mr. Tortoise. So overtaking time would be simply, we know that Mr. Hare started at when? Mr. Hare started at 12 p.m. So he needs 2 hours more to catch up. So we will add these 2 hours. So if you will be adding 2 hours to your 12 p.m., you will be getting 12 to 1 to 2 p.m. So eventually you will get 2 p.m. And this would be our time which is being mentioned in the question, in which Mr. Hare will overtake Mr. Tortoise. Thank you.